Hazrat Ibrahim Taimi radiallahu anhu said, "When I compare my saying to my action, I fear I may not be counted as the people who deny." Ibn Abi Mulaika said, "I made 30 companions of the Prophet ﷺ, and all of them feared hypocrisy in them, and none of them said that he was on the faith of Jibril or Mikail." Hasan Basri said, "No one fears Allah Jalla Jalaluhu saves a believer, and no one is a dauntless before Allah Jalla Jalaluhu saves a hypocrite." Moreover, this verse frightens the people from hypocrisy and persistence in sins. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, "And they do not persist knowingly in what they have done." Surah Al-Imran, verse 135. Hazrat Zubayd says that he asked Abu Wail about Marjia, and he replied, "Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiallahu anhu narrated a hadith to me that the Prophet ﷺ said, 'To abuse a Muslim is fisq, transgression, and kill him is disbelief.'" Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 48.